Okay, here's why your ChatGPT or AI content is not ranking. So whatever most bloggers do nowadays is they just give a number of words and the topic to write a keyword on. So instead, what it does is, instead of writing a humanized blog article, it produces some generic content, which is there is no experience, because this is a travel niche keyword, and there is no experience because in the travel niche, if you write a blogs, then you need to have an experience to write about it, right? So instead, what you want to do is you need to give an additional prompt, which is this one. Pause the video and take a screenshot, hit the like button and subscribe. Comment below. I'll be making more blogging videos on SEO marketing videos. And this is the one single thing which you need to input in order to get a fantastic version of article which can improve your Google rankings. So that's it. I mean, this is not a rocket science. So you can just pause the video and take a screenshot, apply it to your blog article.